Hey guys, this is an HP 8715 printer, OfficeJet Pro. It's same as 8710. I'm going to show you how to remove the screen or the control panel on the front over here. So what we're going to do is we're first going to open the scanner unit. And this is pretty simple to remove. As you have, usually this is in a standby position. Open up or lift up the screen, and then you're going to push over here. Push right. Give it a little bit of force, and you can see that it moves over here. Don't move it too much. It's just gonna need to move about a quarter of an eighth of an inch, maybe a little bit more. So we're gonna move it to the right and lift it gently, and the screen is out now. So there's a couple of things holding it in the back. It's gonna be wiring and this tab that controls it for the screen to not fall down. So what we're gonna do here is first this latch right here, we're gonna pull up on this latch and hold the screen down a little bit, and it'll push the screen out of place. We'll let it's basically gonna free up the screen. Actually, I'm sorry, I got that backwards. The screen is going up and that latch is staying down. So basically, even if I used one hand to do that, I'm gonna push down on this here, on the latch, and it's just gonna let the screen go. So here we go. Okay, so this is where it connects to the screen. This is just the latch that holds the wire from cramping inside here. And what we need to do is just pull this cord out, and we're just gonna pull it out. But and you can see here, it's not one of those where it clamps in. It just basically goes in there. Whenever you install one, make sure you put it back fully for it to connect. So to put it back, we'll put the cord through here and find that connection and carefully put it in there. It's a bit hard for me to do so, but it really isn't that hard when you're using both of your hands. Let's see here. Another thing that you can do is unlatch this and just put it in here like so. And since that thing is out of our way, we have easy access to the connection. We have it connected now. We're going to put this back in and latch it back on. I'm going to press up on this. And pretty much the same process to put it back in is to put it in and just swing it to the left. It should go by itself. Make sure you don't apply much force, as it might break. There we go. So now we're going to test, make sure we put it back in correctly. It looks like we did. You see that the screen went on without any problems. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips, and have a great day.